Hello everyone, my name is Kelly Tavares and I work as a tour guide and a language teacher teaching English and as a second language and Portuguese for foreigners. So yes, today I'm here to share with you a few tips on how to use technology on your favor to learn a language. So this can be applied for many different levels and people. And this video I'm doing in English for people who are already upper, intermediate to advanced level. So I'm gonna use an example of a few technologies and tools and apps that you can use to improve some of your skills, such as listening skills and also speaking skills through improving your vocabulary, enhancing your vocabulary and your pronunciation. So let's share here the screen with you and take a look here on the computer what I'm showing. This, for example, is an app that I'm going to introduce you to read aloud the text that you are studying. And here I'm going to open the PDF that we are using. All right, so what happens? I am an English teacher who has 20 years of experience teaching English in different settings, schools and private classes, corporations, and I have a few examples here working with comparative literature, for example. In this case, I work with students who choose a text, determine literature that they want to cover, study for their research or personal reading interests. And then from choosing a book that can be meaningful for both me, the teacher, and the student, we will increase the usage of technology little by little. So one class after the other, I will be bringing tips on apps, technology, how to use all of them from the different media. And besides that, we will be reading the text together or individually, and then sharing our thoughts, exchanging ideas, making a critical analysis of it. The book that I'm working on now with a few students is Women Who Run with the Wolves from Clarissa Pinkola Estes. It's a very good book on psychoanalysis, analytical psychoanalysis, and then she talks about the strength of the wild women and its psyche, and how through ancient stories, tales, and myths we can empower ourselves, finding the wild woman within us. It's an archetypical character that she's bringing on text. So this is a book that I really recommend. Mulheres que correm com lobos in Portuguese. All right. So let's suppose we are here reading the book, and I got a PDF that you can download free on Google of, I think, the first edition. And if I read, for example, this paragraph here, Vasilisa does the everyday chores without complaint. So let's suppose, I don't know what complaint means. So how do we do to use technology in our favor in this case? Well, you come here, select the word, and click with the right button of your mouse and come to look up complaint. If your computer, I'm using a Windows 10, is set up to with a PDF reader to come and look up for the words, this is gonna drive you directly to a dictionary on Google. So here on the dictionary, you can come see the meaning of the word. You have the phonetics, how do you spell it, and you are also able to practice your listening skills by playing and clicking on this button. You'll be able to hear the sound, and then what you need to do, repeat. So you click, listen, and repeat. Click, complaint. after you see the meaning of complaint down here, you have the different meanings that you can search for. What is complaint? A noun. All right, I got these, and let's suppose that I choose this meaning here. Complaint, a cause of discontentment, pain, grief, lamentation, etc. All right, so a good practice on reading and improving your vocabulary is selecting the meaning of the word, come back to your PDF, then select the word complaint. Oops. If you click and wait on the word, I'm using my touch screen, then what is going to happen? I can select the word, click with the right button, and instead of looking up for the word as we did, I'm going to add a note text to it. So I will paste the meaning, post it, close it, and that's great. So as a homework, what I propose for you is to, after the class, when we work with the analysis, the conversation, and with the tips, you should continue the reading by yourself. And every time you find a word that you don't know the meaning, you follow these steps that I just taught you. And then what you do, you come here, you review, for example, when you get back to the text and you want to really memorize the words that you've learned through your reading. So I recommend you take a look on your previous notes. So you come on each highlighted word, open it up, check the meaning of it, that you paste it, and then to complement, you create a sentence. So this is an opportunity for you to be creative with your own self-learning experience. So, okay, I would create another sentence using the word complaint. So what I would say, let's think, I won't accept a complaint because I really made an effort to show you all the ways to use technology. So I won't accept complaint because I'm doing the best I can to give you the best tips. Okay, I hope you appreciated that, and please keep following me because this is one of the tips that I'm going to give you, and on the next video you see the videos and apps that you can use to improve your reading through listening and using a PDF. Thank you very much for your time, and if you like this video, please give us a like and click down here, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.